How to trade on forex.com. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to trade on forex.com. In that case, you have to first of all log in into your forex.com, and then you need to decide what sort of trading pair you would like to go with. After that, you need to log in into your platform and select your chosen forex pair. And when you select the browse market tab, you can just go ahead and select your currency type as well. And once done selecting your currency type, moving on to the next step, you need to review in-depth details from Market 360. This will give you all the information about the market in one convenient place, that is. And right on this page, you can go ahead and place your buy order. Then click the green buy button if you're sure about it, and enter in the exact amount, all of that, and confirm the transaction. And lastly, you have to go ahead and enter in the exact amount, your confirm, and here on the pop-up menu, go ahead and enter in all of these information that has been asked and click on enter a price located right at the bottom. Then you need to go ahead and select the place trade. After you've done with that procedure, then now you've successfully traded on. So that's how you can trade on forex.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.